Are you ready to get more votes on your poll buttons in your Facebook and Instagram stories? I'm going to give you my best tips on how to do that today. If you want to grab my poll button cheat sheet with over 85 proven ideas to effectively convert your Instagram and Facebook story viewers into customers, go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the stories workshop and you can find it there. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love using polls in my stories because they allow my prospect to raise their hand just with the click of a button and say, hey, I'm curious about that. Give me more information. You can send a message to anyone who replies that votes and boom, you are already moved into Messenger and into that conversation back and forth to close your prospect. So let's talk. How do you make your polls better so you get more votes, get more conversations, and get more customers and clients? First up, if you're on Facebook, you definitely want to get rid of the text that Facebook adds in to the poll when you click to add the poll button. The text is boring, it's bland, it can be really hard to read depending on the background of your story, so you want to delete that. All you have to do is where the cursor is blinking under ask a question, you hit the space bar and boom, that's deleted. After you've hit the space bar, you can add your own colorful background to your text and it looks so much better and it's going to catch people's eye. Next, when it's applicable, you want to replace the words in the poll button itself. Sometimes the words itself can just be the question, and to replace the words, all you do, again, is move your little cursor, move your finger to where it says yes and no, and you're going to tap on each and fill in other words. If you can, summarize your question to be super short, because again, people's attention span, they're clicking through the stories quickly. The next thing that I do to get more votes on my poll buttons is to add a little GIF or something of movement or color behind the poll button where I want someone to click. You want to draw someone's eye to where you want them to take action. And remember, people need clear direction of what step you want them to take. The next thing to note is that when you're asking the question for the poll, as much as you can, always make the poll button about the viewer and not yourself. Use the words you, have you ever, that type of thing versus I. And then when someone does vote on your story, send them a short, simple message. I like to do something like, hey, Sally, thanks for voting on my poll about blah, blah. And then give them the answer if it's a true or false or percentage type of question. And then finish with a simple question relevant to what you're talking about in the story to help get more information from them to see, hey, do they need what you have to offer? For more ideas about stories, go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the stories workshop where I have a quick 25-minute workshop where I'll teach you how to convert your viewers into customers by improving your story layout, your story content, and your story clicks.